Good morning. Welcome to Moneyline. I have this 10 odds for you. Let's get started. The over market. First game is a game between Opava taking on Jovic Bruno. My prediction here is over 1.5 goals. Next one we have is a game between Lasim taking on MFK Prodim in the Czech Republic. Over 1.5 goals. The next one we have is a game in Poland where KKS 1925 is taking on Skra, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. The next one we have is a game between Kedenia taking on Baltijos, and my prediction here is over 1.5 goals. Find this game in Lithuania. The next one we have is a game between Babrunga Sprong taking on FK Gariava, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. We find this game in Lithuania. The next one we have is a game in Australia League where Hunderberg United is taking on Home City, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. We have a game between Calcutta Custom taking on Josh Telegraph, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. You find this game in India League One. Then the next one we have is a game between Sam Bad taking on Carl, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. Still in India League. The next one we have is a game between Hatawadi United taking on Yadapon, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. Still in India. Next one we have is a game between Club Brugge taking on Yellow Red Manchen, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. You find this game in Belgium. The next one we have is a game between Juju United taking on Ulsan in the South Korea League One. The next one we have is a game between Gowon FC taking on Jeonbuk, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. Still in South Korea. The last game on this ticket is a game between Manly United taking on Sutherland Shark, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. You find that game in Austria. This is the booking code for those people using Sportybet. If you want to join VIP, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section where you get your premium tips. Thank you, and I will see you guys after the game.